Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, when your citizenship changes, like if you are a former Indian citizen and you change your citizenship, it's very important that if you're still filing taxes in India and you are making income, that you update your citizenship flag in your PAN card. So how you can do it? Like you can always update it in your income tax profile by logging into this income tax site, but you need to update it in your PAN card also. Otherwise, you will always get a message, even though you update your citizenship in your profile, that you need to link your uh, Aadhaar with PAN and other issues, right? Because recently I had gone through this. So what you have to do, come here and you go and find your assessing officer. That's very important. Like which jurisdictional assessing officer is gonna help with your case. Okay. So you need your PAN card number and registered mobile number, continue verification, and then AO details. So after you get your AO details, it will be having email address and all. So you need to contact them. Okay. When you contact them, you need to write what you want. You need to attach your PAN card and evidence that you are no longer Indian, or for example, foreign passport and other documents that you are not living in India for that tax purpose. Okay. I mean, that depends on situation. So in my case, what I did, I sent my PAN card, I sent my um, uh, Canadian passport and OCI card. With these documents, after some follow-up, I had to follow up a few times. It was done. It's a very minor thing that they do in the system, but it will help you. So you like put your PAN card mobile number in next step. They will do the verification by sending you a code, and then it will show you your jurisdictional AO details along with the email address. There you can send these documents and get this done. So that's how it works, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.